How to fix Safari could not install a profile due to unknown error on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Safari could not install a profile due to an unknown error on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your settings. After you're on your settings, what you'll need to do is you'll need to scroll down until you find screen time and tap on it. After you're on your screen time, scroll down and turn on your content and privacy restrictions. Head over there and turn this on. After you've done that, you're going to head back, and also if your iOS is outdated, you can just update it. For that, head over to General, tap on your software update, and if you find an update available, open it up. Download it. So after you've done that, on General again, scroll down until you find VPN and device management. Tap on it and make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you are, just disconnect from it and then head back to your settings. After you're on your settings again, scroll down till you find Apps section. Tap on it and search for Safari. Open up Safari here, and after you're on Safari, scroll down and there you can simply clear your history and website data. Other than that, you can simply scroll down till you find Advanced option. Then tap on website data, and after you're on your website data, you can simply let it load, and after it loads completely, you can clear it out. And after you clear it out, your problem should get fixed, and that is how you fix Safari could not install a profile due to an unknown error. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.